In today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to connect your Facebook to your Discord account. So first of all, make sure to open the Discord app or just go to Discord on web and make sure to sign into your Discord account. Now from your Discord, tap on settings. In settings, tap on connections. Under connections, tap on see all. And from this list, you have to find out Facebook. Select Facebook to connect. And now you have to enter here the Facebook account login credential, which Facebook account you want to connect with your Discord. And it may ask you to verify your Facebook account. Then tap on save. Tap on continue. And as you can see, I've successfully connected my Facebook with my Discord. And that's how you can actually do it. So here's my Facebook profile. Now you can display your profile picture. You can sync your friends to your Discord from here.